Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nell's Unboxing World. Can you guys tell I love Doorables? Sure you can by now. We have the Disney Doorables Academy Ultimate Pep Rally. There's 16 figures, there's 10 Academy, 6 exclusive, 1 locker, and 4 accessories. So there's a locker, flag, megaphone, and bleachers. The exclusive figures is Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald and Daisy Duck, and Clarabelle Cow. Genie, Baymax, Huey, Dewey and Louie, Goofy, Pocahontas, Miss Piggy, Animal, Angel and Kermit. Let's see who we get. Looks like we have Mickey, Minnie, Clarabelle Cow, Daisy Duck, Pluto, and Donald Duck. These are the exclusives. He's got a foam thumb on. And Minnie Mouse in her cheerleader outfit. Clarabelle Cow in her cheerleader outfit. Daisy Duck. She's so cute. Pluto with the foam finger on his head. The little tail. So cute. And Donald Duck. Yep. Here's the collector's guide. In the clubs, we have Genie, Donald Duck, Tiana, Piglet, Pascal, Merida, Miro, Hamida, Kristoff, and Susie. In the faculty, there's Dean Hardscrabble, Geppetto, Knowsmore, Rainbow Unicorn, Ludwig von Drake, Baymax, and Judy Hopps. The pep rally is Kermit, Animal, Miss Piggy, and Angel. The exclusives, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald and Daisy Duck, and Clarabelle Cow. In the athletic department, we have Pete, Eeyore, Winnie the Pooh, Goofy, Dash, Stitch and Tigger, Pocahontas. The student body is Rapunzel, Cheshire Cat, Marie, Panda May, Huey, Dewey and Louie, Fozzie, Partysaurus Rex, Mulan, Charlotte and Belle, Aurora, Cinderella, Mickey Mouse, and Chippendale. Here's the locker. Ooh, we have stickers. There's the flag. And our megaphone. D for Doorables. And the bleachers. Door number 1. We have Pete. Looks like he's the coach. Door number 2. Yes. Merida. There's her bow in her hand. Door number 3 is Partysaurus Rex. Got his Viking helmet on and a wig. Nope. Those are octopus tentacles, looks like. Next. We have Aurora. Looks like she's yawning. In the next door. We have Kermit. Look, he's the band director or leader. And the next door is Dash. And in the next door, we have Tiana. Oh, she's a lunch lady. And in that door, we have Genie with his top hat on. The next door holds Donald Duck. And last but not least, Geppetto. Let's mark all of these off. Got the flag and the bleachers and the megaphone and the locker. There's Minnie Mouse and Clarabelle. And Donald and Daisy. Daisy doesn't want to see that. I didn't get Mickey in that one. Oh yeah, I did. All of those now. And there's Pluto. They're the exclusives. And Kermit, who is common. Geppetto from the faculty, who is rare. Merida is in the clubs, and so is Jeannie. And Gianna. She might not be a lunch lady. I don't know, I can't tell. Donald Duck. And for the athletics, Pete, Dash, and the student body is Partysaurus Rex and Aurora. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.